people. Yeah, man, get the yam blend up, you see? That's it. Tea people, not enough. We are not the major already, people. No food style. Me up start share. I forgot to say, whenever I click on the camera, you know, through wife in the house, so I told daughter for school. Okay. Yes, bro. Banging!
Banging people.
We can tell the world about this. We can tell the world.
Insurance place represent King's Wicked people, isn't it?
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man. So just like, comment, share, and most definitely do what?
Subscribe. Remember, I work, me I work. And a chicken, me a jerk. See that? One King's Wicked vlogs to the world. Don't fight,
Cut it so.
yeah, man. Greetings, world. Greetings. Yes, no man. Another day, another content, as you know. Yes, people, and this morning, I don't know, people, we're gonna prepare a nice breakfast for you, a nice healthy one again. Yes, and this one gonna done on King's Wicked vlogs, people. Yeah, so whenever you do the Renta yam porridge, make wifey see. So this man we're gonna do Renta yam with Cornmeal. Is it? Yeah, man. Renta yam with Cornmeal, you get it right, people. Yeah, man. That one, yeah. Whenever you look about it yet for wifey taste it, you know, people. So first time wifey gonna taste the yam porridge, but we're gonna mix it with the Cornmeal this morning for you guys. Yeah, man, so Cornmeal with yam. Stay tuned. That's why I go on. I get the yam cut up, dice up, and show you what is what. So stay tuned for when I cut up the yam, people. Right now, I get them wash off. Yeah, properly wash. And then you cut them very small and blend them, right? So stay tuned for action, people. Yeah, people, so we are get the yam dice up. After the try to interact in a video, talk about that things. But you know, food thing of people. Yeah, I go and eat. As well, Oliver Lifestyle JA would have said, do it, we are do it, you know? Make everybody see it, so. You know the thing of people. Yeah, man, active out here, you know, people. You know the things already. People, as me say, run over to Vibes 39 channel. Yeah, man, check out Vibes 39, you know the things of people. Yeah, man. People, if you never check out my general Christmas list, you know I road to 500k. Yeah, man, people, go over there, support the general. If you're new to the channel, and you never yet see me on Christmas list, yeah, man. Just go over Christmas list channel, link him up, make him know King's Wicked vlog sent to you guys. Yeah, man, I road to 500k for the boss people, you know the thing up. We have to be happy for one another, so. Yeah, me there I go and throw off the water for the yam. I get the blender now. Drop them in the blender and do one little mat, so stay tuned for that. Is it? So yes, peeps, we get the blender out. And now no coconut milk free. Use with the recorder this morning, guys. So what we're gonna use just the regular water. Blend the yam. Just one watching for I go and peep. So I go push part the current there. Just a sheer little what I go and do, guys. See you now. Yeah, mommy soon can do it for you, yeah, pumpkin. Put in some flaxseed, people. Yeah, no get this thing, you know. I get the yam blend up here now, people. Yeah, man, get the yam blend up, you see? That's good. Thick like, you see that, people? Right, people. That is it. So, peeps, we are going to add this in our pot, you know. We cover it and go and wait till we get the car. We have to add on the water on the fire. Just stay tuned. I go get that part together. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Make sure you draw a chair, you know, people. Get a cup of coffee. Relax. The one here, I go bang in, make wife tell her what I go on. Don't worry about it, man. Stay tuned, watch what I go on. So, peeps, drop in piece of nothing make maize in my pot. Yeah, man, I get the cover for cover it right now. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for that.
Don't pull it, don't.
So, peeps, get the cover up on the pot, you know. Yeah, man, wait for the water to get hotter also. Then we add in the mixture and so stay tuned, watch what I go on. Yeah, peeps, so what I'm gonna do now? Rinse now, rinse. Carry some comes to rinse out this pot, peeps. Don't do rinse out tidy, but I like do it on camera, make you guys see. Because sometimes people say, so I'm not seeing rinse out the pot. So people, we're gonna throw this the yam mixture inside of that. Just like that. Just like that, people. You know the thing go. Get the cornmeal and the yam mix up together. So everything going in pot one time. One time, peeps, one time. See that? Guys, now see that mixture, eh? What the cool is wicked. Try to get lump them as best as possible, people. All of this on camera, peeps. Showing you guys how we do it over here in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Yeah, people. Health benefit porridge. No coconut.
Let it go, let it go.
To put in it to the people. As man, I love my coconut. You see me a plant a couple of trees in the yard, so couple of years time, full up a coconut in the yard. Yeah, pick them down there. Food they want to make go cast the next part of them. We put the big one over there, because the big one. Then the little one and now get enough food people. Try to get a bag of feed too. They are beat out the lump them just in case now wonder what we are doing. Trying to get out all the lumps them as possible. Because you know we stay as Jamaican, you know, like when we are drinking porridge, you know, feel one bag of lump. You get the gif? So stay tuned. Wife here, hold the camera and show when me show them this in the pot. Is it? That me around from the people. Dry one for the thing that I say, you notice me I try to eat that here. I don't want the dry one inside that. But I'll bring lump in the pot, you know.
Again, come back up this side. Hello, sir.
Again. Alright, peeps, so stay tuned. Look ready for your pot, you know. See it? Look ready for your pot. All beat out, you know. Good look. So we are going to put in there.
No, don't go down there.
Live pot, you know, people, so stay tuned. Watch you all go on. Right target and it's a bubble. Bubble. Leave him alone. Hold on.
Yeah, ball for the pussy. The pussy around feel like fire ball.
The people hold on, the more icy. Ilangoli people. Ilangoli rider. Ilangoli. Ilangoli. Pataluna goat deal. Chop 2 pieces of thick show underneath. The peeps, so me push on that 2 pieces of wood underneath it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stir it, so I'm gonna see if it will look a little more calm too, so I'm gonna have a little thickness now. I don't want the water like going on. But I'm gonna have to put in a little more calming like to heat the boil. So I want it boil up first, still people. people like me, them asleep. No, they're not good. True, right?
My bro. Yeah. It's just I realize what I said. Oh, you're easy.
I the wood them I ask you about no wife in me, say nothing else.
No, y'all laugh. So y'all laugh at them.
Voila, back home. People we are storage to prevent it from lump. My youth can't drop so better. When I drop, get up and say, I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. You see?
You say you cannot sit on that. When you let it go, Narisia, may drop off this something off of there.
Hey, hola ba. Look like it, I get little thick, you see? You don't want to put nothing in there, you get put something in. Like it, but I take it still. Just little tip it there. Yeah, people, so me add just little tip more Cornmeal because I can see it actually have little body there. So just little more Cornmeal, people. Show me how we do it on camera, you know.
Move your head from there, Narisia.
Show me how we do it on camera, people. You know the thing go. And get out all the lumps.
Don't make that flash on you, because that ever go for scratch you.
You see me? So you think he and Porridge will scratch it?
That go boil. I'm not sure about that. Guys.
First thing for me and see that look about it, you know, kill me dead, that's what happened to you, know. Yeah. Hold on, but excuse I'm there. Special for the people.
So one time you see somebody look after that and you just sketch it.
Yeah.
One turn.
I farm with him from when he start get the thing together.
Now I hear that people.
Big up gold dust. When I say gold dust, he know himself, you know, people. I mean, I only somebody call him gold dust. So he know himself. You see me? Who know that name there? Know who me attack. You see me? One crazy. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah, man, them man, the people. Tony and make fashion, you see me? They are them man, they farm. For cocoa, you have a cocoa porridge, you look good. You see people? Yeah, man, the man when name Survivor, know if he survive. Big up Lava, see him, you know, people, because you know a Lava whole man. So, big up Lava, you know the thing go. One Lava to the world. Umbrella boss. You know the thing going up, bro. Yeah, man, best porridge people, you see what I go on? Best porridge. Yam. And what? Secret, don't give out your secret. Why you not do it on camera already? You see your secret. Why? People, look at that. Fresh links. No, you want some of this, you know, Papa. Worry about it, man. Soon link up with my boss. Yeah, man. Yeah, people. So you know the best porridge is yam and cornmeal. Oh my gosh. So we are going to allow it to boil. You know. Yeah, man. We are allow it on the fire for a good 30 minutes. No, call it 30-20 minutes. Yeah. Make him go on. Get himself in the groove. You know. So stay tuned for mixing up and tasting up and drinking up. See it? That is it. So peeps, now take off the pot now. Fire did get trouble today. Fire there must not steal people and no cool breeze at all. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, man. Sweeten up the porridge soon, you know. Peeps, you know, over there, we have to sweeten up the porridge, you know. Okay. Rinse off the spoon. Look at everything together. Adian. One nutmeg in it, people. I mean say one nutmeg, and not necessarily one nutmeg. We just have piece of nutmeg. We just say, you know, Jamaican style attack. Yeah. Liquid salt, people, not enough. We are not the major in already, people. No food style. We major in a normal way. Some they are going to sweeten up there. Porridge now. People, Papa can't cook on dinner. Kitty, no? The boy, mind hurt yourself. Cut out it. Want a closer look in our porridge pot, peeps. Right, hold on, let me give you a closer look. Closer look in our porridge pot. See that, peeps? Looking good, don't it? That is it. Looking very much nice, people. Nice. Now, if you ask if this is a nice people, swear to you. Not even if you ask. So, people, just gonna stay true. Don't look up, puppy. More sugar. Fresh. Into vanilla. Somebody a good on the road. Yeah, peeps. Boy, peeps, me up start share. I forgot to say, whenever I click on the camera, you know what your wife is in the house, so I have to daughter for school. But still I do it, I couldn't see it, you see me? Healthy porridge in the morning, as we say, you know? Papa, excuse her around here, so excuse her around here. The people me share with Papa and Marisa one already. Papa one, Marisa, film one. Papa, come go inside. Go on in, me come. So yes, peeps. Papa ball to feel porridge, people. Copy this a porridge off the cool before I get my hair. Let's see, it looks so hot. Fiery. Tell you about fire and people. Healthy porridge. Some of them boy some porridge and I want a bread for you too. People don't know how to clap. I have to clap myself. I find the family people. Renta yam. Renta yam people. Who didn't know say you could have make porridge? Renta yam with cornmeal. Flax seed. People, if you not watch, I will not subscribe it. I wanna wait for road to 20k now, people. Road 20k. Let's go now. People, please comment, share, like, and subscribe if you're new people. Active out here without fear, as you know. Yeah man, that is it. Outside.